Hello everyone. So I'm Kalpana. I'm here to teach maths. So let's get into the subject. So today, now we are going to see an important topic in mathematics. What is point, line segment and ray. Okay, students get confused with these things. Okay, so now let's discuss it clearly. So first of all, point. What is a point? A point has no size or no shape. A point has no size or no shape, but it has just a position like this. See, a point which is named as M. We call it as point M. What we call it as? Point M. So a point has no size or shape, and it is call it as point M. So next, coming to line. A line is a straight path of points. A line is a straight path of points that has no beginning or end. That has no beginning or end. So what does it mean that a line is a straight path of points? Okay. If you arrange points in a straight line, suppose if you arrange a set of points in a straight line, then it forms a line. Okay, it forms a line, and also the condition for the line is it has no beginning or no end in this form. Okay, consider suppose here we have named the line as A and B, line AB, right? So in a straight line we'll be having a set of points in this straight line. Okay, we'll join each point so that it will form a line which has no end, no beginning, no end. No beginning, no end. A set of, that is the line, is a straight path of points, has no beginning or no end. We'll represent line like this. Line AB. Okay. Next, coming to line segment. A line segment is a portion of a line, that is, it is a portion of a line. Okay, what is a line segment? A line segment is a portion of a line. You have to remember this. Okay, a line segment is a portion of a line that has two end points. In line segment we'll have two end points. See here, it starts at P and it ends at Q. PQ. So PQ is a line segment. What is PQ here? PQ is a line segment. And what is line segment? A line segment is a portion of a line. Here is a line. A line segment is a portion of a line. Okay. So next we'll see ray. Ray. What is a ray? A ray is a portion of a line. Again, ray is also a portion of line. A ray is a portion of a line. Portion of a line which has one end point. Okay, but in line we don't have any end points, right? So what is ray? A ray is a portion of a line which has one end point and extends forever in one direction. See, a ray. This is a ray. A ray is a portion of line. What we are saying? A ray is a portion of line which has one end point. This is the end point we are having. One end point and extends forever in one direction. Extends forever in one direction, or else we can say it as goes off to infinity. Okay, that means the other end we don't have any termination here. It just goes on to infinity. So starts at one point and it just goes on in one direction. So this is a ray. So how we represent ray? See, I have given name x and y to this ray. X, y. Ray, x, y. The symbol. You have to remember this. Ray, line segment, line, and a point. Okay. Let's see a small recap. So what is point, line, line segment and ray? So point. What is a point? A point has no size or shape. A point has no size and no shape. Only it has a position, right? Next, line. A line is a straight path. A line is a straight path. Suppose consider it as a set of points here, 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 here. Continuously you'll be having some points, and by joining all the points, what it forms? It forms a line. Okay, that is what we have defined here. A line is a straight path of points that has no beginning or no end. See what we have to remember for line? No beginning and no beginning or end. For a line segment, it will have an end points. For line, you will not have any beginning or end. But for line segment, you'll have two ends. See, a line segment is a portion of a line. What is line segment? It is a portion of a line that has two end points, point A and point Q. See, here we are having two end points. Okay, next ray. For ray, we'll have one point and it just continues to one direction. Okay, so this is a ray. Hope you understood. If you have any doubts, just comment. Okay, and this is all for now. Bye.